Although Alexander Christie watches have the best quality in its class and durable though often used, you still have to know how to care for these watches if you want to keep your watch cool and stylish. Check out how to care for the following Alexander Christie watches. Clean glass with periodic fabrics periodically. The first way you must clean the glass periodically. Clean using a soft cloth to keep the glass from scratching. Can also use microfiber cloth for the clock can be cleaner. Clean chain clocks with alcohol. You need to clean the whole clock including the clock chain. For the clock chain, clean it with a soft cloth. Can also dip cloth on alcohol first before rubbing it on the clock chain. In this way the rest of the sweat on the clock chain will be gone. Wash canvas rope with soap and dry. You can use soap and toothbrush to clean. Wash and rub with a brush already soaked with soap. Rub gently and then dry using newspaper. This is so that the odor does not settle on the strap of your watch canvas. Avoid from substances cause corrosion. Let your Alexander Christie watch stay durable and can be worn for long periods worthy of care. Yes. One way is to avoid the clock from substances that can cause corrosion. There are several things that can make the clock so exposed to corrosion. For example, rainwater and seawater. Can also from sweat and oil. For that hour when exposed to this kind of substance, immediately dry. Yes.